Thank you for calling Manila Mexican Family Assistance.
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation for a room next week.
Certainly. May I have the check-in and check-out dates?
Sure. Check-in on Friday, the 22nd, and check-out on Sunday, the 24th.
Wait, how many guests will be staying?
Just me.
Would you prefer a single room or double room?
A single room, please.
May I know your full name to book your reservation?
It's Hazel Joy Baluta.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Baluto. Could I also have your contact number and email for the booking confirmation?
Of course, my number is 0928-146-7579. And my email is hazeljoybalutaw@gmail.com.
Got it. Will you make any special requests? Like a non-smoking room or a check-out?
A non-smoking room, please.
Noted. Your reservation is confirmed for a single room. Check-in on Friday the 22nd and will check out on the Sunday the 24th. You'll receive a confirmation by email shortly.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Ms. Balutaw. We look forward to receiving you. Have a great day.